Hello and warm greetings to all my dear friends. I'm really happy to be here once again with a brand new and beginner-friendly video. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and find it useful. If you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. All right, let's jump into it. Today, I've prepared a simple and basic tutorial in geometry nodes inside Blender. First, I start by selecting the default cube. Then I go into edit mode and merge all the vertices to the center using Merge at Center. Next, I arrange the Blender windows the way I like and assign the largest area to the Geometry Nodes editor. I click the New button to create a new node setup. By default, we have two nodes, Group Input and Group Output. We don't need Group Input right now, so I'll delete it. Now I add the Grid node. This node creates a flat surface made of points, like a digital floor. We'll be using those points to place other shapes, instances, on them. I connect the Grid node to Group Output, so we can see it in the viewport. Next, I add the Instance on Points node and place it between the Grid and Output nodes. This node allows us to place a shape like a cube on each point of the grid. To define what we want to place, I add the Mesh Cube node. This creates a standard cube mesh in Blender. I connect its output to the instance, input on the Instance on Points node. Hey, but these cubes are still not treated as real objects in the scene. To fix that, I add a Realize Instances, node after instance on points. This node converts all the instance objects into real geometry that can be modified, rendered, or affected by other nodes. Now you should see the cubes scattered over the grid in the viewport. We'll need to adjust the setup for a cleaner and more organized result. Let's go back to the Grid node and tweak the resolution X and Y to control how many points, and thus cubes, are created. You can also adjust the size of the grid for better spacing. For a nicer visual touch, I now add a Rotate Instances node. This allows me to rotate each instance individually. I changed the Z rotation value 45 degrees so that all cubes are slightly turned and look more dynamic. And that's it. You just saw how a few simple nodes can create an organized and interesting scene without placing anything manually. If you'd like more in-depth explanations about each of these nodes or want to learn more advanced setups, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to create more videos on this topic. Thanks again for staying with me. Until the next video, stay creative and inspired.